Not today. Why now?
Are you kidding me?
Relax, I got this. I'm Sutter, the seal of approval. And I've got Rhode Island covered. At Thumbs Up Plumbing, we're Rhode Island's only true 24/7 emergency plumbing company, and we do things differently. Licensed professionals, no salesmen, upfront pricing, quality workmanship with warranties to back it up. We don't just fix plumbing, we take care of people. At Thumbs Up Plumbing, we consider our clients family. When something goes wrong, we show up. And remember, when it's done right, it gets my seal of approval. Call now to experience the seal of approval.